Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set primary key in LibreOffice Base. So if you want to set it, you need to go to create table in design view, and then you need to type here a field name. For example, if you would like to have your primary key as ID, as integer, you need to type here ID, and then you need to change your field type. For example, on default it is set to text. So we need to click on this one arrow, and we need to select, for example, integer. Then we need to set here auto value to yes. So I select here yes, and now I click right mouse button on this one icon, and we need to have checked here primary key. It is very important to have this option checked, then it will be set as primary key. But for example, if you have other rows, I will type here maybe age, and I'm going to change field type maybe to integer. So I select here integer, and now if you would like to change your primary key to this one, you need to click right mouse button here, and then you need to select here primary key. Then this row will be set as primary key, but of course I recommend you to have your key unique, so it will be better to set ID as the primary key, because age of course may be duplicated. So I click right mouse button here again, and I select here primary key. And of course always I recommend you to have auto value selected to yes. It is very important in my opinion. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in a comment if it solves your problem.